Past tense can be used for present and future in hypothetical or imaginary situation. Say for example, if I had a car, I would go for a long drive. Hello, I'm Sanjay. Today we are going to conclude our lessons which we initiated a couple of weeks ago. We are going to talk about the use of past tense for present. There are 4 situations when past tense is used for present or future. The first situation I told you, that is urgency. Urgency means like, this is the time I got a car. This is the time I left. Second, for humble situation. How? Let us see. I was wondering whether you would be able to spare some time. I wish if you could manage to come. Like this way, it was a humble situation. Third, a remote possibility. Say for example, I was thinking to visit you tomorrow. This is past tense, but we are talking about future. But this is remote possibility. Last situation. Today, I'm going to talk about last situation, that is hypothetical situation. That is an imaginary situation. Say for example, if I had a car, I would go for a long drive. If I knew, I would help you. So that means this is the past sentence structure, but I'm talking about hypothetical situation in present and future. If you have any kind of questions, feel free to ask your questions. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe it, share it, and like it. Thank you.